Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are doing online reservations and bookings for trips, and right now this is a warning mostly in Europe, but we expect that it might actually be even worse as time goes by, and there's a new scam which is a click fix problem, which is bringing malware to your PCs. And the way that it does it is this way. So the examples that were given, because apparently what happens is people get emails. Their emails look like this. There's some kind of reservation cancellation alert, and it has a date. And so it will give you details of something that, first of all, notice that it might be a fake reservation. So compare the details, make sure that what you see is what you have. And if you made some bookings, go directly to the websites that you've used. Don't click any links or any images or anything that you have. So what you do is people apparently click on the see details. What happens is they get another page that says, well, taking too much time to load the information and so on. Website looks like booking.com or other travel websites. And, I'm giving this as right now, it seems to be mostly for people traveling, but this could be used for so many different things. And after a certain amount of time, you end up with a fake blue screen of death that appears, and it says your PC ran into a problem, and it's a full screen thing. So you think your PC might have crashed, and it gives you something that blue screens never tell you to do. It gives you a set of instructions on how to open the run command, copy or paste a command, and then press OK or enter. And of course, that means that you have just executed malware on your PC. So this is apparently pretty major. A lot of people have been bitten by this. Once again, when you do online transactions of any kind, including traveling, booking, any travels, always go directly to the website where you did things. Never click any link images of an email that says something has changed. Go directly to the web page. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.